Oh shit. What do you think?
I don't know. We lucked out with one 15. In your kit that used to be in that boat, the Double Trouble. One that came with the kit when I had 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Nailed it.
Was good. Did it? So Mason's leaving?
Oberto's in
there. Sorry, buddy.
Double Trouble second.
Start from there. Lap 1, Oberto.
Might be able to catch up.
Lap 1, Double Trouble.
That boat was going so slow, I don't understand.
Lap 1, Spirited Detroit. Lap 1, GNP. Lap 1, Orange Crush. Except it's the Orang Crush now.
Lap 2.
Lap 2, Oberto.
It's like an orangutan crush.
An orangutan.
It's, well,
it lost me.
Double Trouble and Spirited
Lap
Detroit.
2.
GNP and Orange Crush.
Can't catch the
Everybody's done
Oberto
lap
though.
2. Lap 3, Oberto. Lap 3, Spirited Detroit.
Yeah, ever since it lost that prop, it's been real slow.
Lap 3, Double Trouble. Lap 3, Orange Crush. Lap 3, Plum. Oberto is first. Spirited Detroit is second. Double Trouble third. Orange Crush fourth.
Yes,
And GNP fifth. Okay, so